Hello everyone, I am Pratyusha. I am studying first year BTech at SRIT College in CSC branch with specialization AML. Today my topic is switch, break and continue statements in C programming. Let us know the introduction of these. In C programming, switch, break and continue are control flow statements. They are used to manage the execution of code. Switch is a selection statement, or we can say control flow statement. It is used for multi-way branching. Break and continue statements are often referred to as jump statements. Let us know the switch statement. What is switch statement? In C programming, the switch statement is a control flow mechanism that allows for multiple way branching based on the value of a single expression. It provides an alternative to using a long series of if else if statements when you need to execute different blocks of code depending on various constant values of a variable or expression. The switch statement in C is an alternate to if else if ladder statement which allows us to execute multiple operations for the different possible values of a single variable called switch variable. Here we can define various statements in the multiple cases for the different values of a single variable. Let us know the syntax for switch statement. Here you can see the syntax. Switch expression floor bracket open and case constant 1, case constant 2 and default floor bracket close. Let us know the uses of switch statement. Switch statement is used to choose one block of code to run from many options. Switch statement helps replace multiple if-else if statements. Switch statement makes code cleaner and easier to read when checking one variable. Switch statement works best with integer, char or enum values. Switch statement allows fast decision making using case labels. Switch statement supports grouping multiple cases to run the same code. Switch statement uses default to handle all unmatched cases. Now let us know the break and continue statement. Break statement. In C, the break and continue both statements are used to control the flow inside loops and switch blocks. The break statement immediately stops the execution of the current loop or switch and transfers control to the next statement after it, which is useful when you want to exit early based on a condition. Now, continue statement. On the other hand, the continue statement does not end the loop. Instead of, it skips the remaining code in the current iteration and moves directly to the next iteration of the loop. This helps when you want to ignore certain cases inside a loop but still continue running the loop as a whole. Both statements make programs more flexible and easier to manage when working with repeated or conditional execution. Let us know the syntax for break and continue statements. It is very easy. You have to write break with semicolon and continue semicolon. Now let us know the uses for break statement and continue statement. Break statement uses. Break statement exits a loop immediately for while do while. Break statement stops switch case execution and prevents fall through. Break statement useful when a condition is met early so the rest of the loop doesn't need to run. Break statement helps avoid unnecessary iterations and improve efficiency. Now, uses of continue statement. Continue statement skips the current loop iteration and moves to the next one. Continue statement useful when you want to ignore specific cases inside a loop. Continue statement helps keep code cleaner by avoiding deeply nested if else block. Continue statement maintains the loop but jumps directly to the next cycle. Now, conclusion. Switch, break, and continue statements make C program more efficient and easier to control. The switch statement helps choose one option from many. The break statement is used to exit a loop or switch immediately, while the continue statement lets the loop skip the current iteration and move to the next one. Together, these statements improve the clarity, flow, and control of a program. Thank you all.